Welcome to my channel. I am making sweet fried potato. Flour mixture: 140 grams all-purpose flour, 15 grams corn flour, 115 grams water. Pour the water into the flour mixture a little bit at a time. After completely dissolved flour mixture, cover it. Spread all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. When you see the bubble around the chopsticks, it means the oil is ready for deep fry. Deep fry 3 to 5 minutes. It depends on how thin or thick you cut your sweet potato. Let the sweet potato continue to cook. In the meantime, let's water indoor house plant from the water we use for cleaning up potato. I wash sweet potato 3 times. To be continued on part 2. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.